Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang terhormat Bapak dan Ibu dosen penguji uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan kategori 2 tahun 2022. Perkenalkan, saya Regina Fauka Imani, mahasiswi PPG dalam jabatan kategori 2 tahun 2022 jurusan Bahasa Inggris di Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. Saya pada hari ini, tanggal 14 Desember tahun 2022, akan melaksanakan video praktik pembelajaran untuk memenuhi tugas uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan kategori 2 tahun 2022. Dengan demikian, saya ucapkan terima kasih. Selamat menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum guys.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. I feel amazing today. Talk about the weather. Today is beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, Miss.
What do you think about the weather today? Cool, cerah. Okay. What do you feel about the weather?
Senang.
Bahagia. Happy. Okay. Sad. Why? What are you sad? Oh. Before we start this meeting, I want you to check yourself. Is your shirt neat enough?
Udah.
Okay. How about the environment? Is it clean? Yes. Yeah, okay. So you all ready to start this meeting? Are you? Yeah. Okay. But before we start, we need to pray first. The chief of the class, please lead the prayer.
Before we starting our activity today, let's take a short prayer, shall we?
Amin. Is anyone absent today? Ada yang tidak hadir? No, everyone attend this meeting. Semuanya hadir ya? Okay. Today, we are gonna learn about narrative text. Do you know what is narrative text? No. Okay. Do you know legend? Tahu legenda? Tahu. Oh, you have read or hear about legend. Are you? Udah pernah dengar? Sudah? Do you still remember what the last legend story you hear or you read? Anything else? Ada yang lain? No? How about Situ Bagendit? Do you know the story of Situ Bagendit? No? No. We are gonna talk about Sangkuriang then. Do you remember the character in the story? Siapa aja sih karakternya? Dayang Sumbi, Sangkuriang, and Tumang. Very good. Okay. Today we are gonna learn about narrative text, especially about folklore, tentang cerita rakyat. Are you ready?
Ready.
Now, in this meeting, we are gonna learn 4 points. The first one is you are able to identify. Kalian akan mampu mengidentifikasi. Terus, yang kedua adalah kalian akan bisa membedakan. Yang terakhir adalah menganalisis. Fungsi sosial, struktur, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks naratif. Oke. Yang terakhir adalah you are able to present a narrative text to your friend. Nah, I have 5 picture here. Do you know the first picture about? Tentang apa ya ini? Malin Kundang. Very good. How about this one? Sangkuriang. Why? You know this is Sangkuriang. Kenapa ketahui ini Sangkuriang? Sedang menendang perahu. How about this one? No? Okay. Let's skip this one. Then the fourth, do you know what is it? Situ Bagendit. Very good. The last one? Timun Mas. Okay. We are gonna learn about these 5 folklore. Kita akan mempelajari 5 folklore ini. Nah, nanti kita juga akan mengetahui nih apa yang kalian tidak tahu. Karena akan kita baca bersama-sama teksnya, oke? Okay. First, I am gonna show you a video about Sangkuriang. Before we watch the video, I want you to make a note, buat catatan tentang hal-hal penting about the important thing in the video ya.
Once upon a time, in a prosperous kingdom called Parayangan, there lived a beautiful princess named Dayang Sumbi, who loved weaving. One day, Dayang Sumbi was weaving on the terrace of the palace. For some reason that day, she felt a little dizzy and weak. The spun yarn kept falling, and Dayang Sumbi became too lazy to pick it up. As the spun yarn fell, Dayang Sumbi started to get annoyed. Then she said,
"Whoever picks up this yarn for me, I swear I will take him as my husband."
Hey guys, after you watch the story about Sangkuriang, what point you get? Apa poin yang kalian dapatkan? There are 3, okay. Who are they? Siapa aja? Okay. Who is Tumang? A dog. And a husband of Dayang Sumbi. And a father of Sangkuriang. Very good, guys. What happened to Tumang? Apa yang terjadi pada Tumang? It killed by Sangkuriang or his son. I have shared a text about Sangkuriang to you. Anyone want to read the first sentence? Silahkan.
I wither king of a beautiful daughter. Her name was Dayang Sumbi. She liked weaving very much. Once she was weaving a pottery of her field to the front. She was very tired at the something. She was so lazy to take it and she just floated along it.
Okay, very good. Thank you. The first paragraph tell us about apa isinya? What is the content of the first paragraph? Perkenalan. Very good. Introduce the character. Memperkenalkan karakternya, bahwa karakter utamanya adalah Dayang Sumbi. The second paragraph. Who want to read that? Siapa yang mau baca? Silahkan.
If you are female, I will consider you as my sister. If you are male, I will marry you. Suddenly, a
Male dog.
Its name was Tumang came. He broke that the falling girl Dayang Sumbi was very surprised. He was a handsome and healthy boy.
Okay, thank you very much. Tentang apa? What is the content of the second paragraph? Akhirnya tinggal di sebuah desa kecil. Several months later, they had a son. Beberapa bulan kemudian, mereka memiliki seorang anak. His name was Sangkuriang. Nama anaknya adalah Sangkuriang. He was a handsome and healthy boy. Sangkuriang itu adalah anak yang handsome, tampan, dan healthy, sehat. Oke, berarti ini udah mulai menceritakan permasalahan yang muncul ya. Nah, apa permasalahannya? What is the conflict that is appear? Anyone know the content of this paragraph? Apa? What is the conflict? Konfliknya?
Harus menikahi anjing.
Oke, what else? What? Meninggalkan sang ayah. Oke. Penyebab itu masalah dua ini apa? What is the cause?
Janji.
Ya, janji atau
Sumpah.
Oke. After we read the text about Sangkuriang, what do you think the definition of narrative text? Menurut kalian apa?
Cerita.
Teks yang berisi
Cerita.
What else? Cerita apa? What story? Sangkuriang. Atau Sangkuriang ini masuknya apa sih? Legenda. Oke, that is the definition of narrative text. Let's see. Narrative text is a type of text that tell a chronological story in past tense. Betul berarti ya jawaban kalian tadi ya. Jadi, what is the purpose of narrative text? Menurut kalian, the purpose-nya apa? Tujuannya apa?
Menghibur.
Menghibur, very good. To entertain. Untuk menghibur, kalau bahasa Inggrisnya entertain the reader. Oke, that is the purpose. The aim of narrative text is entertain. Tuh kan, entertain reader through amusing story. What are kinds of narrative text? Anyone know kind of narrative text? Macam-macam narrative text ada yang tahu? Apa aja? Have you read about Kancil and Buaya? Kancil dan Buaya, pernah?
Tahu.
Pernah. Itu apa bentuknya? Kalau yang tentang fabel, very good. Okay, what is generic structure of narrative text? Anyone know? No?
No.
Okay, let's see the generic structure. Ada 4, there are 4 point. The first one is orientation. Anyone want to read? What is orientation? Anissa, introduce.
Characters in the story as well and the background of the story is include the setting of the place,
Time, atmosphere. Okay, very good. Thank you. Orientation is the opening part. Apa opening part? Bagian pembuka of a narrative text story. Merupakan bagian pembuka dari naratif nih. This section, bagian ini, orientasi, introduce the character in the story. Memperkenalkan karakter di dalam cerita. Juga the background of the story, which include the setting of the place, setting of time, the atmosphere, and social condition. The second is complication. Who gonna read the definition? Siapa yang mau baca? Boleh, silahkan.
This section contains the problem that occur in a story. In more detail, the complication is further divided into parts, namely.
Oke, namely ada apa? Breathing, action, climax, and falling action point. Very good, thank you. This section nih, complication, contain the problem that occur in a story. In more detail, complication ini dibagi atau divide into 3. Ada apa aja? Rising action, climax, and falling action. What structure? What part? This is orientation. Karena apa? Introducing about Dayang Sumbi. Oke. about Tumang. Yeah. Its name was Tumang. And apa lagi? Introducing about Sangkuriang. Okay. How about this one? Complication. Karena apa tadi? The first problem happened when Sangkuriang killed Tumang. Nah, this is the language feature of narrative text. Because the narrative text is past tense tadi ya, masa lampau. Of course, we use past tense. Tidak kill, but killed. Tidak drink, but drunk. Jadi bentuk kedua. Nanti kita lihat di dalam teksnya ada atau enggak. Terus ada yang kedua apa? Adverb of time. Time of conjunction. Adverb of time. Dayang Sumbi yang diwarnai merah. Tumang. Sangkuriang. Itu maksudnya tadi apa? Apa? Karakter. Iya, spesifik karakter. Lived, liked, bentuk kedua. Fell, bukan she is but she was karena lampau. Nah, this is the story of Nini Anteh and Prince Anantakusuma yang tadi kalian tidak tahu. Katanya ada do you miss itu ya. Gambarnya tuh. Kita lihat videonya ya. Mereka berteman baik, they are friends. Nah, suatu hari the queen said that the princess have to marry, harus menikah. This part, masih ingat ya bagian ini ya? Nah, bagian ini cocok sama kalimat yang mana? Yang kedua. Okay, the second one. How about this one? Anteh singing and the prince falling in love with her. Which one is suit to this picture?
Ke satu.
Nah, her beautiful voice. Nah, berarti the first paragraph. Oke, berarti this one is the second, ya. Ini mencocokkan. Ini ada hubungannya dengan kegiatan gallery walk kalian. Mana yang merupakan past tense? Happen, jump, and when itu bentuk lampau dari go. Ya, kalau spesifik karakternya siapa? Anteh, Endah Warni, and pangeran siapa namanya? Ada di sini ya? Prince
Antarkusuma.
Anantakusuma. Ada di judul juga tuh. Okay guys, after we have learned about narrative text, let's do the gallery walk. I have a card, some card here. There are two theme of story, ada dua tema ya. Silahkan kalian boleh masing-masing teman sebangku perwakilannya saja, silahkan boleh mengambil contoh gitu. Anyone get timun mas? Siapa yang dapat timun mas? Okay. This is for you. Timun mas. Situ Bagendit nggak tahu? Fill the data ya. Fill the date, the class, and the group members. Step is to find the right story that suit to the picture, yang sesuai dengan gambar. Silakan kalian boleh melakukan gallery walk. For the first group, who is gonna present their work? Siapa? Timun Mas? Or Situ Bagendit? Situ Bagendit? Okay. Please go forward to the front of the class and present your work. Silahkan. Stop. Hello.
I am Sarjito Dianti. I am Dianti. We are going to present our
Work. Okay.
Situ Bagendit. Far away in the
Isolated, ya.
village request reach home.
Sok nggak apa-apa.
She was the
The richest.
person in the village. She had a very deep house village with a lot of jewelry. Nyai Bagendit was also known for her great attitude. She did want to help on her person in the village, but had bad attitude.
Okay, very good. He was the richest person in the village but had the bad attitude. Number 3.
What did happen after the old man point his sticks at the well?
Okay, what is the answer?
The water from the well was overflowing more and more.
Okay, very good. How about the last question?
What happened to Nyai Bagendit at the end of the story?
Okay, what happened?
She drowned with all of her wealth.
Okay, she drowned, tenggelam dengan seluruh kekayaannya. Very good. Give applause for the first group. Second? The second is from Timun Mas group. Silakan. Mau di mana? Situ? Boleh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Timun Mas. My name is Agri and
Bayu.
we are going to present our work. Orientation. Once upon a time, an old widow went a doctor to live with her in the village. Knowing her wish, Buto Ijo, a Hokkien guy, visited her house. He gave her a sumber seat. Buto Ijo told the old girl, "Will be a baby inside the sumber." The young promised to come back for the baby once she turned 16.
The old widow planted the seed in her yard. By the next morning, a cucumber grew. She cut it open and found a baby girl inside. Home and life happy ever after with the old widow.
Okay, very good. Silakan, please show us or present your answer for the first question.
Who was the main character in the
The story. What is the main character? Who is the main character?
Timun Mas.
Timun Mas. Okay. The second.
Based on the story, who was Buto Ijo?
Based on the story, who was Buto Ijo? Buto Ijo. Buto Ijo itu siapa?
Giant.
A giant. Very good. The third?
What did Timun Mas do to escape from Buto Ijo?
Okay, what is she doing?
Throwing salt from her bag.
Okay, throwing salt. Good. Number 4.
What happened to Buto Ijo at the end of the story?
What happened?
Buto Ijo was dark and dead in the muddy file.
Modify. Very good. Give applause for the second group. Good job, guys. And I want to appreciate that all of you have a courage, punya keberanian ya, to show your work and read the text. Meskipun mungkin masih ada yang ragu-ragu, malu-malu, but you do your best. Fluence-nya bagus. Kelancaran bahasanya tinggal dilatih. Ya. Okay, guys. The answer that all of you have present is correct ya. Kalian semua hebat dalam menemukan jawaban atau informasi yang sesuai from the picture series. Tadi after you do the gallery walk and find the information, find the right picture to complete the question, you all do your best and get the best result. Hasilnya juga terbaik. Nah, sudah sesuai dengan jawaban yang saya persiapkan nih di depan. Okay, because all of you have done it very well, I think you all have understand. Do you have any maybe about Timun Mas or maybe about Situ Bagendit? Sudah tahu Situ Bagendit? Sudah. I think that's all for today. Next meeting we are gonna do the same activity. You are gonna read the text about Malin Kundang and you are going to practice to present it. Jadi minggu depan kita akan membaca teks tentang Malin Kundang dan belajar untuk mempresentasikannya. Okay, that's all for today. I am very happy because you all try to be active. How about your feeling? Perasaan kalian setelah melakukan aktivitas hari ini? Happy. Really? Okay. Kalau I do the gallery walk in other time, do you problem with it? Punya masalah nggak kalau misalnya nanti kayak saya menggunakan gallery walk lagi? No. Okay. Ada poin positif nggak dari gallery walk menurut kalian? What is it? Mudah dipahami. What else? Pahami. And I think for me you can exercise, jadi bergerak ya, not only sit on your chair and do. Sebetulnya kalian kan bisa menulis saja, tapi kalau gallery walk you can find with your friend and discuss. Maybe for today. See you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.